I'm James Sweeney, and here is your morning market brief. Following yesterday's massive rally in the global markets, especially in the United States and Europe, this following the expansion of the EFSF and the agreement to a 50% haircut for Greek debt, Asian markets once again closed the day well on the upside. This with Japan's Nikkei 225 index rising 1.4% intraday and Hong Kong's Hang Seng index rising roughly 1.7%. However, the European markets continue to trade mixed, with both the CAC 40 as well as the FTSE relatively even halfway through the day, and U.S. stock futures so far pointing towards a slightly lower open. Meanwhile, in economic reports overseas, the Japanese unemployment rate fell roughly 4.1%, beating economist expectations for a rise to 4.4%. In Europe, UK consumer confidence figures fell to its lowest level since February 2009. The reading came in at negative 32, down 2 points, this from the prior month. And continuing in Europe, Spanish unemployment hit 21.5%, its highest level in more than 15 years for the nation. Government officials now state that the country could indeed miss its economic growth targets of the year of 1.3%. And in the United States, released at 8:30 a.m., we had personal income figures increased roughly 0.1% for the month of September, a slight bit below expectations. However, personal spending did fall in line with expectations, rising roughly 0.6%. And to be released at 9:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have U.S. consumer confidence figures, which are expected to come in a slight bit below forecast at 58 for October, this from 57.5 the month previously. And in economic news, Samsung surpassed Apple this morning in regards to its report, stating that smartphone sales during the July to September quarter came in a lot stronger than Apple's. This as shipments of the devices surged roughly 44%. Samsung took a total of 23.8% of the global smartphone market during the period. And Hewlett-Packard has decided to keep its personal computer business, reversing an earlier decision to sell or spin off its unit.